Okay, Ethan, this is the big snowstorm of 2011. This is outside the house. Mommy had to park out in the street because the driveway was all ice. Ooh, I just stepped on some snow. This is your first snowstorm, sweetie. And while everybody's out here being cold, little baby is in here. Hey, Ethan. Good morning. There's a big blizzard outside. Oh, it's a good thing you're nice and warm in here. Hey, sleepyhead. Oh, I wasn't done sleeping, Mama. Say, I don't like the snow. It's cold. He's so sad. Ethan. Ethan, wake up. Hey, Zippy. Ethan, are you sad or happy? Make up your mind. It's hard to tell when you first wake up, isn't it? Huh? Oh, there's a smile. Oh, there's a frown. Hi, Ethan. Hi. Hey, sweetie. Oh, we're hungry. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's go get you a bottle.